my video. This time we're going to cover the three-quarter shimmy. The three-quarter shimmy is a very popular movement. You can do all sorts of variations with it. I've got so many awesome tricks up my sleeve for this one. Let's give it a go. Okay, so three-quarter shimmy, not to be confused with the hagala. They're two different movements. Okay, so this one is you have three hips. Three-quarter, why is it called three-quarter? It's called three-quarter because it's 3 out of 4. So if you were to count to 4, you're only doing 3 movements. So for example, 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Okay, so three-quarter, 3 out of 4. So bend the knees. We're going to keep our knees bent on our weight and our heels for the moment. We're going to pull our tummy in, lengthen our tailbone. We always want nice space as a belly dancer. Chest is lifted in resting neutral position. Shoulders are backing down. Okay, from here, we're just going to do side to side. Make sure you warm up first. I've got loads of videos on my YouTube channel that you can go and get warmed up with first before you begin. So go do that and then come back. Okay, so you are going to go to the right. Right, left, right as my knees. So just as your knees backwards and forwards first and foremost actually. So you can see me in the back reflection as well. My knees are going backwards and forwards. And my heels are on the floor. My tummy is in, my chest is lifted, my shoulders are backing down, and I feel really strong and connected to myself and to the floor. Okay, so now we're going to take out the bounce and we're just going to scissor the knees backwards and forwards. This could also be known as, this move all by itself, a really slow, big, very, very slow shimmy. So I'm not squeezing or contracting any muscles. If you want to go into this movement, I would really advise go to watch my 1 hour long video, the belly dance video, and that will teach you a knee drop, which is this movement in there. Learn the knee drop because the movements in that movement will really help you to get your three-quarter shimmy, although you don't squeeze unless you're layering. Anyway, more conversation. So bend the knees, pull the tummy in. We're going to go left, right, 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 left, right. Okay, so from here, we're going to go into threes. So we're only going to go 1, 2, hold 3. 1, 2, hold 3. 1, 2, hold 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now if you're squeezing, like I am at the moment, take the squeeze off. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now pay attention to where your weight is, okay? Because you're only going to have your weight on one leg at any one time. The confusing part is that there's 3 hips on one leg. So now, take your right leg off the floor and just give me 3 hips, starting on your left. Will be left, right, left. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left. 1 more time. Left, right, left. Change legs. If you're into the music, check out Tribal from the Trap. Some guys I'm working with at the moment, they've got some amazing music, especially if you're into tribal and world music. Check it out. Okay, lift up the knee. We're going on the right, so it will be right, left, right. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Okay, so the tricky part is the second isolation. If you haven't noticed, the leg is off the floor and the hip has to go up. So on the spot, one more time, we go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Side to side, keep it nice and small. Nothing else moves. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, chest lifted, shoulders down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to stay at the back so you can see what happens with my legs. Alright, so now you're going to the right side. As you step on the right, you do your first contraction. Right. You see that? Again, I go right. So I go right, left, right. I'm going to step on the left. Left, right, left. To the right. Right, left, right. That's the challenging part. You do 3 isolations on one leg. Right, left, right. Left, right, keep it small. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now make sure you're not doing really big movements and you're showing me your side to side. Try to keep it on the spot and don't show me your weight transfer. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very grounded. Always keep the knees bent. Never straighten the legs. They go straighter, but they don't actually lock and straighten. So, right, left, 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 right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If you've got it, we're going to go faster. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. We're going to come out to the front. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Still 3 hips. No matter how fast you go, you're still doing 3 hips per step. See, I'm still doing 3 hips per step. And as you can see, the faster you go, the kind of energy changes, but it's exactly the same thing. It's just faster. So there's 3 hips. Ready? Let's go again. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, right, left, right, left. If you're mirroring me, you'll be on the left. 1, shoulders down, chest lifted. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you've got it, stay. If you've not got it, stay here. We'll go slower. Otherwise, we're going to go faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is why it's important to know you're doing 3 hips per step. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to walk. You'll get stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the spot. 1, 2. This is a 3/4 shimmy. There's loads of things you can do with it. There's so many stylizations with it. You've got the over one that I like to do. Love this version. I go over and then use my hips a little bit. You can do it with twists. You can do it with minors. You can do it with undulations. You can do it with, basically, you can do 3/4 shimmies with everything. It's so much fun. We're not going to do that today. Just going to focus on the 3/4 shimmy. So last time to finish it up. 5, 6, slowly, fast. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, now step it. Right, 2, 3. Step, 2, 3. 3 hips, 1 step. The hard one is the second move because it's in the air of the leg that's not on the floor. That's the hard part. Okay, so, ha, 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 ha. Quicker. Ha, 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 ha. Bit quicker. Ha, 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 ha. Dum, 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 dum. Da, 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 da. Even faster. If you can. If it's too fast, stay slow. You can turn it. And turn it. And enough. Thank you for joining me. If you like what we're up to, check out my website, melissabellydance.com. There's loads of things going on there. If you can't come to my classes in London, which are in Warren Street, then you can do them online. All of my classes are filmed, so every single class I offer is filmed for online classes, which is private access if you sign up to them. And each course is 12 weeks long. So you learn with us from week 1 all the way to week 12. And we progress each and every single week. So you come on a journey with me and my students as we go through the 12 weeks for all the courses. And there's loads of videos to choose from, so many. So check that out. And thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.